We have 2016 Range Rover Sports. Customer came in a while ago. We did a Navix CarPlay Android Auto module. It stopped working, so we're going to take the radio out and see what went wrong. It comes out very simple. You just grab this corner, start from that corner there, and you just pull this entire bezel out. Just snug, but it comes out like that. Once you have it out, the 4 screws holding on to the display. So you take the 4 screws out. That's a torque number 20 or 25. That's torque number 20, by the way. Okay, try this little frame out. There's more screws here. There's 4 more screws holding on to the actual radio screen.
El chiquitito y este me da
Actually holding on to just the switch, and there are 4 more screws. Holy! Really gonna get rid of those screws, huh? Yeah. Out. There's a module right here. See if you can reset this.
unplug the main.
Just gonna unplug the main harness. See if you can reset.
I think I don't see no light. Oh, it's coming.
So once you disconnect the main harness and put it back in, the monitor reboots. What? Why is it upside down?
I don't know.
We didn't
turn it
up.
on?
Maybe we did. Yeah, we did. Because I see there's 2 holes here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so we got CarPlay. Let's pair your phone. Okay. Go to Bluetooth. Pair the phone.
W maybe. Oh yeah.
Alright. It works. So all you have to do is, if it locks up for whatever reason, disconnect the main harness, right? And plug back in, radio comes back on, pair that back your cell phone with the Bluetooth, and it works. That's all you have to do. Let's put it back in. So let's put it back in.
You know where was that?
This was in the back. Like this, maybe?
No, I think this go.
Was it the under? Was it under?
Yeah, because
No, I think it was in like sideways.
Memory was there.
Let's try this one. I think it'll fit the way it is.
Make.
Wait, hang on. It's okay. Yeah, it fits. Alright, so all you have to do is reverse what we did. Just putting 4 screws in on the radio display and 2 more on the metal bracket, 4 more on the metal bracket. One thing good about this one is that the screw sizes are all the same, so you don't have to go grab different bits. Right, where is the metal bracket?
No.
Yeah,
This
no,
is
no, there was a metal. No, there was a metal bracket.
No, the metal bracket was here.
No, the metal bracket goes in first. No,
No.
are you sure? Where is the metal bracket? I've never been wrong in my life.
You never been wrong. Never once.
Never once.
You never once.
If this goes in, wait, maybe you're right. Maybe you're right.
You never been wrong.
I never been wrong. It could be only the first time. Alright. I was wrong this time. It's always the first time for it. Wait. How do we go back to... Oh,
No. Oh, you.
it's on the top.
I was testing you.
We're testing, you know?
This way.
Okay.
No. Maybe it's upside.
I don't think so. Is it? I think so? No. It's upside down. You went right.
Okay. Now fit. That's it?
Let's see. Put the panel back on. Weather today. Wait, I don't hear sound.
Huh?
I don't hear sound. Weather today. Yeah, but I don't hear it. Why? This is volume, isn't it?
Maybe these use the oats.
There's no audio. Let me find out.
La malenga?
Weather today.
I'm sorry, but I'm not familiar with anyone named Chella Malinga. It's possible the name
Radio
was
was-
misheard
radio
or
was turned
misspelled.
off.
Could you tell me a little more about
So we
who
have
they
to go
are or
into
what
here.
they do?
So
I'd
turn
be
the
happy to
radio
look into
on,
it for you.
and navigation comes on. No good. Alright,
Wait.
what happened? Oh, the flip's kind of bent. Let's put it back in. Yeah. Yes. This is not in.
This was loose before.
No, it wasn't loose.
Yeah, it was loose.